Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good evening I bid to everyone and our lecturer Miss Sarah. So this is my night reflection video for our last discussion, our last meeting. For Lex 2014, my travelogue. So basically, what we from our last meeting, we already went to our top 3 places for our team, which is food hunting, and the places was named Chop the Stock Cafe. It was a Western cuisine restaurant. It is suitable for dinner, and it was located beside Giant Lestari Putra. And if we near Pasar Borong Selangor, if we want to go there by ways, it is best to type Bazar Rakyat KPS because it was located there. So why we've choose these places? Because the price is very reasonable, and the portion was big, and during our last session, everyone was totally full, and some of us didn't eat from the morning just to save the money to go there. And based on what our discussion, it was very good to go there, even we have to save from the morning. A little info about Chop the Stock Cafe. It is operating hour is actually from 6 p.m. to 1 a.m. So and also it's open from Monday to Sunday but closed on Thursday. And their statement, their motto, something like that, was actually extra size and max quality. And me myself agree with the statement, because I've been there and I've had cheesy chicken grill there, and it was so delicious, tasty, and a very big portion. So I guess that's all for this reflection video. See you next week. Bye.